Hello. So today we're going to talk about verbs, and a verb is a word that describes an action. So let's take a look at this poster. A verb is a word that expresses an action. Look at the sentence at the bottom. It says, she taught them how to swim and dive. And if you look at the words that are in red, all of these are verbs. So a verb is something that you do. So you see the word taught is red. You can teach something, that's something you do. You can, the word swim is in red. You can swim, that's something you can do. And dive, that's something you can do. That's why that word is in red as well. So this week we are going to practice identifying, so seeing and recognizing verbs. Remember, a verb is something that you do. It's a word that expresses an action. So high five is an action. Jump is an action. Those are verbs. If I said, give me your paper, the word give is a verb. If I said, can you spin around? Then spin is a verb. It's something you do. So we're going to practice seeing and reading verbs this week.